Good day, everyone. I am Christine Claire M. Bridal. So, today I'll be discussing and presenting to you the budgeting process of the Philippine government. So, by the end of this presentation, you're expected to learn what are the processes of making budget in the Philippine government. So, what is a budget process? Government budgeting is critical exercise of allocating revenues and borrowed funds to attain the economic and social goals of the country. It also entails the management of government expenditures to create the most impact from the production and delivery of goods and services. So why is it important? It is important because it enables the government to plan and manage its financial resource to support the implementation of various programs and projects that best promote the development of the country. Through the budget, the government can prioritize and put into action its plans, programs, and policies within the constraints of its financial capability. So the budgeting of the national government involve four phases. These are the budget presentation, legislation, execution, and accountability. First one is the budget preparation. It is a process with designated organizations and individuals having defined responsibilities that must be carried out within a given timetable. During this phase, the Department of Budget and Management or the DBM prepares the National Expenditure Program or the NEP or NEP, which outlines the government's budget priorities and allocations. The DBM also consults with various government agencies and stakeholders to ensure that their budget proposals are aligned with the government's overall development plan. The next phase is the budget legislation. It enables the government to plan and manage its financial resources to support the implementation of various programs and projects that best promote the development of the country. In this phase, once the NEP or the National Expenditure Program is prepared, it is submitted to Congress for review and approval. Congress then holds hearings and deliberations to discuss the budget proposals and make any necessary adjustments. After approval, the budget is enacted into law, and the process is governed by the Constitution, the General Appropriations Act or the GAA. The next phase is the budget execution. It represents the phase during which the multiple aspects of resource use acquire an importance that is uniquely their own. During this phase, the government implements the approved budget. Government agencies are responsible for allocating and utilizing their budget allocations in accordance with the approved budget plan. The next phase, the last one, is the budget accountability. Takes the form of management's review of actual performance or work accomplishments in relation to the work targets. This final phase involves monitoring and evaluating the government's budget performance. The Commission on Audit or the COA is responsible for auditing government agencies to ensure that they are utilizing their budget allocations efficiently and effectively. So in overall, the budget making process in the Philippine government involves collaborative effort between the executive and legislative branches. with the ultimate goal of allocating resources effectively to achieve the country's development goal. And ends my presentation. Thank you for listening.